Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back to my channel. Tonight I wanted to go ahead and film a quick video makeup tutorial. Haven't done these since fall. I did a get ready with me, but it's a lot of talking in that one. Wanted to do a makeup tutorial video today, of course displaying some of the new products I got, especially the Too Faced I Want Candy eyeshadow palette. Yes, I know it came out last year, but I got it, so to me it's new. I also got a few products from my Ipsy bag, my January Ipsy bag, and I'm going to go ahead and show those as well. By the way, lost out on my December Ipsy bag because I forgot to change my address on my Ipsy account. So for those of you that move and have an Ipsy account, please make sure to change your address. I never got that bag. Kind of bummed about that, and I never called to tell them. So I was like, okay, whatever, lost out on my $10. Not a great way to think, but that was 2017, 2018, different mindset. Kind of going to go through also the process I do when I get ready to go out. Tonight, I'm going to a ladies night, which I'm late for, by the way. So a ladies night, get together at a friend's house. Actually, I called these people my Zumba crew because that's where I met most of them during Zumba. So we're just going to have some wine, appetizers, games, just typical like girl night stuff. Well, if you're my age. So just kept it cash, wanted to keep the makeup very subtle, but also something that you can use during the day, or you can also use at night, or we have Valentine's Day coming up. So this is totally a romantic look that you can utilize for your date. Cleo! My cat's having a spaz attack. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you do end up liking this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Also, follow me on all my other social media platforms. If you want to find out how to get this look, keep on watching. To start, I freshly washed my hair and I am applying the generic value products that I picked up from Sally's, the Volumizing Root Lifter. For a fresh, clean face, I am using the L'Oreal Pure Clay Cleanser I got from Influencer, and I am finishing off my hair with the Caviar Cici Cream 10-in-1 Complete Correction Leave-In Hair Perfector. Showcasing some of my products, the Too Faced I Want Candy eyeshadow palette that I just got, also my Tarte Shape Tape, and of course a couple of products I got from my January Ipsy bag. So to prime my face, I'm going with my Reliable Hard Candy Primer 12-Hour Power and applying this all over my face. For foundation, I'm sticking with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color number 238 down to the bottom of the barrel, so I'm using a small concealer brush to apply this, and then I will go ahead and use a beauty blender. My skin has been looking a little rough these days, so I'm going to go ahead and generously apply this as concealed as I can all over my face, and of course along my jawline and down my neck. I finally purchased the Tarte Shape Tape, and I did get this a little too light, which is fine because I do need a variety of colors for this product, but I'm going to make this work. So the next one I'm going to get will be a slightly darker, but we're still making this work. I'm applying this underneath my eyes, just applying this on the high points of my face, down the middle of my nose, on my cupid's bow, on my chin. I do apply these on my eyelids as a prep for the eyeshadow, and using a beauty blender I will go ahead and start blending this all out. So now using my Maybelline Loose Setting Powder, I'm first going to do a little dance and then make a silly face, and then I'm going to set this on the high points of my face where I applied the Tarte Shape Tape. Beginning to contour my face with the Rimmel London Brick Bronzer that I've had forever. I am beginning to contour my face, just kind of building that up nice and neat, and of course along my jawline, on the top of my forehead, and I will actually contour out a little bit my nose. I need to perfect this, but this works for me for now. And just to blend everything all in, I'm going to be using a powder brush just to eliminate any hard edges. Getting ready for eyeshadow application, I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, and I first apply this with my fingers and then I go in with a beauty blender just to even that all out. As I'm filming, hubby decided that he wanted to watch, and I'm basically saying, oh hell no. Using now the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony, I'm just going to quickly show you how I fill in my eyebrows. I am very proud that I'm getting better at it every time. Still room for improvement, always room for improvement, but from where I started, I've come a long way. Once the pomade is applied, I go ahead and use a mascara brush to brush out the hairs and make it look nice and neat. I then go ahead and cut out my eyebrows by using a concealer. This actually helps clean it up a bit more and defines the brow bone area. So now using the Too Faced I Want Candy eyeshadow palette, it does smell like candy. It's super sweet. I am starting with the color Cream Puff and applying this on the crease of my eyelid with a fluffy crease brush. I have learned to apply this lightly and do a soft buildup. Thank you, Nicole Guerrero, for that technique. It really does work. So now going in with the color Raspberry Cocoa, I'm going to apply this on the outer V of my eye with another crease brush and just slowly build this up in the corner. Just like they're using circular motions, you want to make sure that is a nice soft build up. You can always apply more. So now going in with the color Sugared Strawberry, I am using a medium shader or a flat packing brush to go ahead and apply this on my lower lid and just putting that into the outer V as gently as possible, but sweeping this along the eyelid. Make sure to pack that on so that is condensed. To open up my eyes a bit more, I'm going in with the colored Frosted Pink, and I'm just going to apply this on the inner corners of my eye. This technique really brings life to your eyes. If you have small eyes like I do, this really widens and brightens your eyes. Now with the color Whipped Cream, you can't see the name there because the light's blinding it. You're going to highlight your brow bone, but not like that. You're going to lightly dust it off and apply it like that. This part is completely optional. I wanted to darken my outer V, so I'm going in with the color Hot Chocolate with a small or medium rounded brush. You're going to go ahead and just condense this onto your outer V to bring it more depth. The dance I do when I'm almost done. Okay, so now moving on, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Eye Duo Eyeliner Eyeshadow Pencil and just darken my waterline because you know I have no lashes. And then I went in with the color Hot Chocolate and just smudged that out a bit. I'm looking pretty cross-eyed here, but using a small rounded brush, going in with the color Frosted Pink just to bring that along my lower lash line. Using the Maybelline Ultraliner Liquid Eyeliner, I am not a big fan of this. I think I used this when I was in high school, but using it now, it's just so chunky and choppy, but I have it for now, so this is what I'm using. I'm going to wing this out a bit. So I'm being extra careful because if you do it too fast, it does come out with like jaws on top. It does like not an even line, so I'm being extra careful. I have applied my false eyelashes and I'm moving on to highlight using the Benefit High Beam. I absolutely love this highlight. I am a fan of using beauty blenders throughout my entire makeup process, as you can tell. So this really does give a nice highlight. It just gives me life. That's all I can say. I apply this right above the contour and of course up into the temple. I will apply this also on the top of my nose right there and in between my eyebrows, also on my cupid's bow and my chin. So because this is a cream highlight, not like a powder highlight, using the beauty blender is preferred and will definitely help out with evening out the highlight. as part of my January Ipsy bag, I got the Nude Sticks Magnetic Lip Color. And I love this because if you have never gone outside of your lip line, this is a perfect product to go ahead and make your lips look fuller. And I really did like this product. It lasted well throughout the night, the color was gorgeous. The color on the stick says Sono Ran. That's what it says, but I'm going to put it down in the description below. Here you have the final look, the same look you saw in the beginning of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you did, please make sure to hit that like button below. Also subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber already. I'd love to hear your feedback. Please leave me any feedback about this video or any suggestions for some new videos you would like to see. You can follow me on all my other social media platforms, so make sure you do that. And as always, stay sassy, sexy, and sophisticated, my sirens, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.